Aquarists look after fish and other marine animals in public aquariums, zoos, or research centers. Their job includes feeding the animals, cleaning tanks, checking water quality, and making sure the creatures stay healthy. They also help with breeding programs, animal transport, and sometimes talk to visitors about marine life. It's a hands-on role that requires care, patience, and a real interest in underwater animals. In the UK, a starting salary for an aquarist is usually between £16,000 and £20,000 a year. With experience, this can rise to around £25,000 to £30,000. Senior aquarists, team leaders, or those working in large or specialist aquariums may earn over £30,000, depending on their responsibilities and the size of the organisation. To become an aquarist, most people start with a qualification in animal care, marine biology, or a related subject. Some begin with a college course, while others go on to get a degree in marine biology or zoology. Hands-on experience is really important, so volunteering or doing placements at aquariums or marine centers can be a big help. You'll need to be confident around water, happy working in a team, and comfortable handling live animals.